Let's explore Chalakudy, a beautiful town in Kerala, a place known for its peaceful backwaters and green hills. Chalakudy is more than just a dot on the map. It's a special place where nature's beauty, old traditions and friendly people all come together. Come with me as we travel to this hidden treasure in South India and discover its amazing secrets. Chalakudy is located on the banks of the Chalakudy River, which flows through the middle of the town. This charming town is easy to get to, just 19 miles north of the busy city of Thrissur. It has good roads, making it easy for people from all over the country to visit. And if you're coming from far away, Cochin International Airport is only 16 miles away, making it a gateway to this hidden paradise. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible Athirappilly waterfalls, often called the Niagara Falls of India. This natural wonder is located in the Thrissur district of Kerala and is one of the largest waterfalls in the state. The sheer power and beauty of the falls attract thousands of visitors every year, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Here, the Chalakudy River transforms into a powerful waterfall, cascading down in a spectacular display of nature's raw power. The river, originating from the Anamudi Mountains, travels through the Vazhachal forest before it plunges down the rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing sight. The sound of the water crashing down is both thrilling and soothing, offering a unique experience to all who visit. Dropping from over 80 feet high, the Athirappilly waterfalls are a testament to the grandeur of nature. The height and volume of the water make it one of the most impressive waterfalls in India. During the monsoon season, the falls are at their most powerful, with the water gushing down with incredible force, creating a mist that envelops the surrounding area. It's a sight that will leave you speechless. The breathtaking views from various vantage points around the falls offer a perfect opportunity for photography enthusiasts to capture the beauty of this natural wonder. Whether you're standing at the base of the falls or viewing it from a distance, the Athirappilly waterfalls never fail to impress. Not far away, the Vazhachal waterfalls offer a different kind of beauty. Located just a short drive from Athirappilly, these falls are part of the same river system but present a more serene and tranquil setting. The Vazhachal waterfalls are surrounded by lush greenery and are a perfect spot for a peaceful retreat. Here, the water flows gently over mossy rocks, creating peaceful sounds that are a stark contrast to the thunderous roar of Athirappilly. The gentle flow of water and the serene environment make Vazhachal an ideal place for relaxation and meditation. It's a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. And if you want to experience the real wilderness of Kerala, visit the Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. This protected area is a treasure trove of biodiversity and offers a glimpse into the rich wildlife of the region. The reserve is spread over an area of 643 square kilometers and is a part of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This protected area is home to tigers, elephants and many other animals, making it a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. The reserve is known for its successful conservation efforts and is one of the best places in India to see these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Guided safaris and nature walks offer visitors a chance to explore the diverse flora and fauna of the reserve. Showing how diverse the region is, Kerala's natural beauty is not just limited to its waterfalls and wildlife reserves. The state is also home to beautiful beaches, serene backwaters and lush hill stations, making it a perfect destination for all kinds of travelers. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Kerala has something to offer for everyone. Chalakudy has a strong sense of culture, with old traditions passed down through many years. The town is a living museum of Kerala's rich heritage, where every street and corner tells a story of its own. The elders in the village are the keepers of these stories, sharing them with the younger generations, ensuring that the essence of their culture remains alive. The vibrant festivals, the traditional attire, and the age-old customs all come together to create a unique cultural tapestry that is both colourful and deeply rooted in history. The harvest festival of Onam is celebrated with lots of joy. It marks the homecoming of the legendary King Mahabali and is a time of great excitement and festivity. People from all walks of life come together to celebrate, creating a sense of unity and togetherness. The streets are filled with laughter, music and dance as everyone participates in the various activities that make Onam so special. People decorate their homes with colorful flower carpets and the air smells like delicious traditional food. The intricate designs of the Parambikulam, made with vibrant flowers, are a sight to behold. Families come together to prepare traditional dishes, filling the air with the aroma of spices and fresh ingredients. The festive decorations add to the joyous atmosphere, making Onam a truly memorable experience. Vishu, the New Year festival, brings hope for a fresh start. It is a time for reflection and renewal as people look forward to the year ahead with optimism and hope. The festival is marked by the Vishu Kani, a special arrangement of auspicious items that is the first thing people see on the morning of Vishu. This ritual is believed to bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. Poram, with its impressive parade of elephants and lively music, is a treat for the senses. The grand procession, featuring beautifully decorated elephants, is a highlight of the festival. The rhythmic beats of the traditional drums and the vibrant colors of the decorations create a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates everyone who witnesses it. The energy and enthusiasm of the participants add to the festive spirit, making Poram an unforgettable experience. In this mix of cultures, people of different religions live together peacefully. The harmony and mutual respect among the diverse communities are a testament to the inclusive nature of Kerala's society. Festivals and celebrations are shared by all, regardless of their religious beliefs, fostering a sense of unity and brotherhood. This cultural diversity is one of the region's greatest strengths, enriching the lives of its people and creating a vibrant and dynamic community. St. Mary's Church, with its tall spire, represents the town's Christian history. The church is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of the town's rich cultural heritage. Its architecture reflects the influence of European styles, while the community that gathers here is a blend of tradition and modernity. The church plays a significant role in the social and cultural life of Chalakudy, hosting various events and activities that bring people together. The old Sri Mahadeva temple, with its beautiful carvings and calm atmosphere, shows the region's strong Hindu beliefs. The temple is a place of serenity and devotion, where people come to seek blessings and find peace. The intricate carvings and architectural details are a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of the artisans who built it. The temple's tranquil surroundings provide a perfect setting for reflection and spiritual growth, making it a cherished part of the community's cultural and religious life. Life in Chalakudy is peaceful following the natural rhythm of nature. Farming is really important to the local economy. You'll see lots of coconut trees and rubber plantations. The air often smells sweet like ripe fruit and earthy like fresh spices. But even with its peaceful countryside, Chalakudy is becoming more modern. New buildings and roads are being built, blending in with the town's traditional charm. Chalakudy believes in giving its children a good education. There are many schools and colleges in the town. Chalakudy Government College is a well-respected place for higher education, showing how much the town cares about quality learning. St. Joseph's College, with its long and impressive history, continues to teach young people and prepare them for the future. These schools, along with many others, make sure that the young generation in Chalakudy has the knowledge and skills to succeed. Chalakudy has a tropical monsoon climate, which means it has different weather in different seasons. This unique climate pattern brings a variety of experiences throughout the year, making Chalakudy a fascinating place to observe the rhythm of the seasons. Each season has its own charm and character, contributing to the region's rich natural tapestry. From June to September, the monsoon rains come, bringing lots of water and making the rivers and waterfalls fuller. The heavy downpours transform the landscape, turning it into a lush green paradise. The sound of rain hitting the leaves and the sight of water cascading down the waterfalls create a mesmerizing atmosphere. The monsoon season is a time of renewal and abundance as the rains replenish the earth and fill the rivers to the brim. The air smells like wet earth and you can hear frogs croaking and insects chirping. These sounds and scents are a testament to the vibrancy of life that the monsoon brings. The wet earth releases a distinctive earthy aroma that is both refreshing and invigorating. The chorus of frogs and insects adds to the symphony of nature, creating a lively and dynamic environment. When the monsoon season ends, the landscape changes again. The rivers and waterfalls, now brimming with water, continue to flow with vigor. The lush greenery begins to dry out slightly, but the land remains fertile and vibrant. The transition from the monsoon to the post-monsoon period is marked by a gradual shift in the scenery as the intense rains give way to more moderate weather. From October to March, the weather is cooler and more pleasant. This period is characterized by clear skies and gentle breezes, making it an ideal time for outdoor activities. The cooler temperatures provide a welcome respite from the intense heat and humidity of the monsoon season. The pleasant weather during these months is perfect for exploring the natural beauty of Chalakudy. The air is fresh and the sun feels good on your skin. The clear skies and bright sunshine create a cheerful and uplifting atmosphere. The warmth of the sun is gentle and soothing, making it a pleasure to spend time outdoors. The fresh air invigorates the senses, and the pleasant sunshine adds a touch of magic to the landscape. This is the perfect time to go outside and enjoy nature's beauty. Whether it's a leisurely walk through the lush forests, a picnic by the river, or simply soaking in the serene surroundings, the cooler months offer endless opportunities for outdoor enjoyment. The natural beauty of Chalakudy is at its peak during this time, inviting you to immerse yourself in its splendor and tranquility. While Chalakudy itself has a lot to offer, the areas around it are also worth exploring. The Kodungalu Bhagavathi temple, full of history and stories, represents Kerala's rich culture. Its yearly Parani festival, a celebration with lots of colors and sounds, is a must-see. If you're looking for a fun family day out, Dreamworld Water Park is a great place to cool down from the tropical heat. With its exciting water slides, wave pools, and a lazy river, it's perfect for making special memories. As we say goodbye to Chalakudy, we'll remember its beautiful scenery, lively culture, and the kindness of its people. This hidden treasure of Kerala, where nature and people live in harmony, is a place to find peace and connect with yourself and the world. So, when you plan your next trip to India, be sure to include Chalakudy in your plans.